Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Telegram wallet to ByBit. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now you want to go ahead and click on your assets. So for example here, and after that you will need to click send option. As you can see, my balance is now empty. My Toncoins hasn't reached my Telegram wallet yet. So once you will click send option, you will have an option to choose external wallet. So you want to click on that, and then you will need to go ahead and enter the address of your ByBit. So you want to open up your ByBit and get that address to copy and paste to Telegram wallet. So you want to go ahead on assets, click option deposit, and choose deposit crypto. After that, you want to search for Toncoin. After you will find Ton, you want to click on it and click the chain type Ton. After that, you will have wallet address and memo. So you want to use both of these. The wallet address you will paste to the wallet address space. And the memo will also have a comment, a note, or remark option on your Telegram. So you want to copy all of these and enter them to your Telegram wallet. Once you will click send, you will have these options to write them down. And that's how you send your Toncoin from Telegram wallet to ByBit. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.